Hello everybody, I have a laundry detergent review. So I got tired of the same old laundry detergents in the stores and online. So I decided to go on Amazon, and I remembered that I never tried the laundry sheets. So I decided to order some, and this is called Clearalif. It should be Clearalif, but they don't have an E on it. So I'm going to say Clearalif, okay? Laundry detergent sheets. Liquidless Eco Sheets. Deep cleaning, eco-friendly, fast dissolve, no phosphorus. It's in the fresh linen scent. You get 60 in here. This is perfect if you want to. This is perfect if you go to the laundromat, and it's very easy to carry. You don't have any bottles that can open up and pour all over your stuff. This is better than the pods. The reason why it's better than the pods, let me show you. Okay, I ripped it some, but you get a sheet. It's so rich smelling. Smells so good. You know, coming in this generic box, I didn't expect it to smell good, but it's rich smelling. It smells so good. So let me get back to business. These are better than the pods. I ripped it by accident. But suppose you want to put 1.5 or 2.5, and all you have to do is rip it and add it like that. It's so easy. You're not wasting anything. When I washed my clothes, I put 2 sheets in there. I didn't really see suds, but my clothes came out so good. People told me, they said, suds don't clean clothes. I like suds, but this worked and I really like it a lot. So they tell you, add Clearalif laundry detergent sheet, add dirty clothes, start washing. They tell you how to do it with hand washing and machine washing, okay? This will also be good for the little mini portable washing machines like I have. You can tear off a little bit, put it in that machine. If you feel that you need a little bit more, you just tear off a little bit more. I didn't think I would like these, but I have fallen in love with this, and I will continue to buy it. I got it for a good price. I can't think how much I paid for it because I had it for a while. Then I said, I got this detergent, I better start using it. If I happen to go to the laundromat, or even in my building, they have the laundry room. Y'all have seen it. It's not a whole lot to carry, you know. And I have a lot of those big jugs of laundry detergent. I like having those. And I just put it in a smaller container. But with this, no fuss at all. If you haven't tried it, buy just 1 box and try it out. And like I said, it has a really, really pretty smell. And that fresh linen scent. It's a nice smell, y'all. So I tried to do it a little different this time. But if you want to see me use it, I may try it on my other channel. You see me washing my clothes or, whatever with it. I like it a lot. This will be on my list after I get rid of some of those detergents that I already have. This is really some good stuff. Sis, if you are watching, girl, get this from Amazon. I'm telling you, you will love it. I washed my light clothes with it, and I hand washed some black pants and leggings and my jeans with it, and it smells so good. I didn't really have to put any fabric softener in there. this is it for my review. I will be coming back with some more. Love you all.